The next section we're going to take a look at is the rules engine. A rule is defined as a set of conditions that, when true, trigger an exception that can be used for notification or reporting purposes. There are two basic types of rules: standard rules and custom rules. The standard rules are already built into the system. You simply turn them on or off and determine how you want to be notified, if you want to be notified. They're broken down based on the pillars that we talk about for the system. The pillars of fleet management being productivity rules, optimization rules, safety rules, sustainability rules, compliance rules, and expandability rules. Advanced rules are rules that you create when you're looking for more specific information. For example, maybe you want to create a rule that when your vehicle's battery voltage falls below 9 volts, you receive a text message. Or maybe you want to set up a speed rule for vehicles that are going 10 miles per hour over the speed limit for longer than 10 seconds, and you want that specific rule to show up on an exceptions report. The possibilities are endless.